Welcome to our third video. This series focuses on Six Sigma processes for service businesses, but the problem-solving principles work in many scenarios. Today's video will focus on goal setting. Goal setting will help you determine what and how to measure various inputs or factors contributing to the problem. The goal statement, relevant to the problem, should be SMART. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, timely or time-sensitive. In our last video, we developed a problem statement for a small restaurant struggling with a high rate of returned meals. The goal statement needs to nest with the problem statement. Let's recap the problem. For the last 3 months, our 50-seat restaurant served 300 meals daily. Of those meals, 25% were returned/reordered. Our return target is 6%. Our estimated revenue loss is $9,000 per night. Using a SMART approach, how can we determine our goals based on our problem statement? We could start with the following. Specific, improve customer satisfaction. Measurable, improve returned meal rate. Attainable, reduce meal return incrementally. Relevant, increase revenue. Timely or time-sensitive, in 3 months. Using our SMART principles, we can build our goal statement. Reduce meal return rate to 12% in 3 months. Next, we'll run it against our SMART principles. Specific? Yes. Measurable? Yes. Move return rate from 25% to 12%. Attainable? Possibly, but doesn't insist on 0 defects. Relevant? Yes. Timely or time-sensitive? Yes, 3 months. Now that we've set our goals, we can begin to collect information, measurements, to see what's contributing to the problem. In our next video, we'll look at some of the friction points our restaurant experiences contributing to returned meals. We hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the OpEx90 channel for future videos.